Hey, this is DIY with Donna, and in this video, I'm going to reupholster a stool that I have. As you can see, the top of the stool is very old and dirty, and I'm going to remove that. I have a bunch of material that I can use. Just want to find the right texture of the material. Some of this is too shiny, but I'm going to get something a little bit thicker. So I'm going to utilize the material I had for some of the balances I did in my kitchen. So measuring to determine the size of the cloth, I have 12 inches across plus 2 inches height, so I would double that. So that's 16 inches. And then underneath where we're going to staple, I would do another 2 inches. So I would say an 18-inch square at minimum for my cloth size. So here is the material that I chose. You also will need scissors and also a staple gun. So it's important that your material lays flat on the foam. So it's a good idea to make sure you iron out all the wrinkles prior to using it. So now I'm going to use my scissors to cut away the old material that is on the stool, ripping it and also getting the bottom part off, just cutting away, getting rid of it. I'm going to still use the foam that was there because it's in a perfectly circular format that fits the stool. So here you can see the cardboard, the foam, and underneath where it was stapled. So I place my fabric on top to make sure I have enough to cover and to fit under so I can staple. Here I put the material down on the ground and then my foam circular pad. So I can staple a little bit easier. Then I go ahead and put the stool with the cardboard on top, and I am going to bend up my material and staple underneath. So here you can see where I pulled the material up and have stapled into the cardboard. And I also had to use my scissors to cut off some of the excess fabric that I had. But here is the end product, and it looks much better. So here is what the stool looked like before with the blue old cloth, and here is what it looks like now. And then here is a comparison of the old and the new stool. Thanks for watching. This was DIY with Donna. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.